What's up everyone, it's Anthony from AB Fitness Center. If you're looking to lose body fat, gain muscle, and transform your body, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share with you this simple exercise that you can do anywhere that will help you to get stronger and change your physique. Planks. Planks are one of the best bodyweight exercises anyone at any fitness level can do that will help them to prevent injuries and strengthen up their entire core. EMG studies show that the planks is one of the best core exercises you can do, even more effective at crunches and sit-ups. But fun fact, planks, even for 1 minute, it's gonna feel like an hour. Time just slows down when you do planks. And the world record in planks, this guy did 8 hours. 8 hours. That must have felt like 8 years. So there's all these challenges out there that talk about doing planks every day. I think that's a great challenge, but I wanted to kind of cover what happens if you actually do that every day. So even if you're super busy, this is one of the beneficial things about doing planks. Even if you're super busy and can't make it to the gym, planks can be done anywhere. They're so versatile, they can be done. I could go do planks right now. Maybe I will. That was good. That was good. That was a good one. Couldn't really do it with the camera. Kind of messed up my joke. But you guys get the idea. You can do it anywhere, right? So there's 5 particular benefits. I want you to keep watching in order to find out the 5 benefits, the 5th one being the best and what exactly happens. So let's get rolling with it. And yes, before you even stop me and say like, yeah, but it's only 1 minute. 1 minute of planks can drastically improve your core strength, your stability, and your overall strength. So what happens if you do it for a minute, right? Every day, what's gonna happen? Or how will your body change? So 1, you're gonna have a reduced risk of back and spinal injuries. So remember, your core, when we say core, it's not just your six-pack or the muscles in front. It has to do with the muscles of your back as well. Your body always works in tandem. So most of the time, back injuries happen from weak abdominal muscles. So by doing a plank, you're gonna be actually strengthening up the front and the back. They work together. And that goes with a lot of different muscles, not just the muscles of your lower back, it's also going to be the muscles of your upper back, which leads me to point number 2, which is improved posture. Whenever you're holding the plank, as you start to get tired, people start to kind of sag and they kind of like hang and their whole body looks like a U as they start getting tired. But by doing a plank every day for 1 minute, you're going to strengthen up your body, you're going to get better at holding that straight plank, that straight level, and that's also going to strengthen up the muscles of your posture. And think about it, we sit down all day at our desks, we're working, we're constantly in this position all day, so doing planks every day is going to help to improve your posture. Number 3, it's going to increase your muscular development of your core. So if you're looking to get a six-pack, look no further than just a plank. It's going to give you better results. Like I said earlier in this video, EMG studies show that planks are better than crunches, sit-ups, and all those other exercises. So you're going to get a better workout for your core in a shorter period of time. However, if you subscribe to this channel and watch some of the content on here, you'll realize that nutrition is the most important thing. It has to be followed up with it. 70% of your results are going to come from what you eat. So you need to make sure that your nutrition is down in order for you to lose body fat in order to reveal that six-pack below it. Number 4, you're going to increase strength for other exercises like push-ups, dips, any other bodyweight movement, and yes, even pull-ups. One of the biggest exercises to help you to develop pull-up strength and actually be able to pull your body up is core strength. You use your core a lot when doing pull-ups. If you don't believe me, check out the pull-up video I did on my channel and you'll be able to watch that on how to do your first couple of pull-ups, but you're gonna need core strength. So doing a minute of planks every day will help you to actually get better at pull-ups. Number 5, and the last and final one, the most important one here, if you did planks every day, it'll also help you to release endorphins. Whenever you exercise, you release endorphins, which will put you in a better mood doing that. So exercise has been shown to increase endorphins. 1 minute of planks will help you to feel accomplished. It'll give you a good workout for a minute. Believe me, that minute's gonna feel like an hour. And it's gonna help you to release endorphins and feel better. So if you're interested in sitting down with me to discuss and map out a plan for your strategic fat loss, click the link below. And I challenge you not just to watch my video, but to actually take action. I want you to aim to do a plank every day for 1 month, and I want you to come back and report to me your results. Subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you get updates right away. And remember, consistency is the key. Don't just watch my videos and do nothing. Go put in the work. I'll catch you guys on the next one.